Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.1 from page number 25 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? So let's read this statement. Calculate the molar mass of the following. They have given you three problems and you have to tell the molar mass of these three molecules, right? So let's start with first one is H2O, that means water, right? To find the molar mass, what I'll do, I'll simply add atomic masses of the atoms present in this molecule, right? So in case of water, simply add atomic mass of hydrogen. There are two atoms, so it will be into 2 plus atomic mass of oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen, right? So atomic mass of hydrogen 1 gram per mole. Here there is difference between molecular mass and molar mass. Molecular mass means you have to find the mass of one molecule, right? But molar mass means you have to find the mass of 1 mole of this particular molecule. That means you are finding the mass of 1 mole of water molecules, right? So 1 gram per mole into 2 plus atomic mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms equal to 16 gram per mole, right? So 1 into 2, 2 gram per mole plus 16 gram per mole, right? So 2 plus 16, that will be equal to 18 gram per mole. Now let's see the next one, CO2, that means carbon dioxide. So for this, what I'll do, I'll add atomic mass of 1 mole of carbon, right, plus atomic mass of here again 1 mole of oxygen, but there are 2 moles of oxygen over here. That means into 2. So atomic mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 gram per mole. Atomic mass of 1 mole of oxygen 16 gram per mole. We are having 2 moles, so into 2, right? So 12 gram per mole plus 16 into 2, 32 gram per mole, right? 12 plus 32, 44 gram per mole. Now the third one is CH4, that means methane. So in CH4 again we'll add atomic mass of 1 mole of carbon plus atomic mass of 1 mole of hydrogen. There are 4 hydrogen atoms, that means 4 mole of hydrogen will take, right? So atomic mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 gram per mole plus atomic mass of 1 mole of hydrogen 1 gram per mole into 4. So 12 gram per mole plus 1 into 4, 4 gram per mole. So 12 plus 4, 16 gram per mole.